Let me start from here, like publishing the app to the App Store. First of all, I will try to log in to the App Store. I will be guiding in the reverse mode, so I am login to the App Store with the username and the password. First, I will create the publishing of the app, then I will try to upload from the Xcode the application to the App Store. So first I landed on the certificate page. I'm going to the developer account. Now I have to select the organization, which organization I have to choose. I chose the organization DP, and now going to the apps. In app, this app is already published earlier. So I will select the app and will create a new version to publish. Last time we had very hard time to publish this app due to Apple rejection for the policies. It's loading a bit, taking time. So you can see the design P interior is ready for sale version 1.2.9. So I will be creating a new version for it, and will submit for the review after checking all the details. So I clicked on the app. Now I am adding from the iOS app 1.3.0. Once the version is created, we'll fill the details like what this version is going with the new update, and the other details will remain unchanged, like the app description, images, all those things remain unchanged. We'll fill the detail about the current fix in the app, and we'll save the contents here. So I have to now choose the build version, like which version I'm going to publish. So currently I haven't uploaded the build, so if you can see here, it says to upload your build, and when you click the link, it will open the build development tool. So from here you have to go to the products archive, and it will start building the app. You have to select here in the design plus, if you can see there the dark scene. So there you have to select the specific device, any ARM device for the build. This will take a bit time to build, and now it's building the application. It's taking a time. You can see in the progress bar building the resources. So here for the build, you have to check for a few things like sign in capabilities and the general things, whatever the version you want to mention, those all things. Once the build is completed, you will pop up with this small window saying like build completed with the build number. You have to go to the distribute app. Apple has the Xcode has changed the interface. I will select here for custom distribution. App Store Connect. I want to do the hybrid distribute to all devices. So I try to upload the app. So it's analyzing the version currently. Once the version analysis completes, it pop up the with the symbol upload and the debug upload things. I will press next. Next window says to select the provisioning profile which I have used in signing the app. I have the default one which was created earlier, and I will select the provisioning profile, and I will check the certificates. All certificates are included for that identifier, app identifier or not. Once this is done, I will click next and preparing for final upload. So all things done, we'll press the upload. it will check with the iTunes server for the current version, the authorization, everything. It will be checked and then it will be uploaded. So it's performing some background jobs to upload the app. So see, it's rejected here because the because of some misconfiguration. Yeah, I have used the iPad, so I will be removing the iPad. I will first delete the archives here. Last time these versions were uploaded, so I will be deleting these versions. Now I will go to the general. I will remove the iPad. Maybe somehow it is added, so I removed it, and I will check the signing certificates. I am not signing the certificates with automatic manage sign in. So once this are again, I am building the same process which you watched earlier, and next. So again, I followed the same build method, like going to product archive. Now I am going to distribution. Last you see. So same process I am following. Now I trying with, after replacing the iPad, I am trying to upload the app again, and this time hope it will get uploaded, and will be selecting the version and preparing for the final submission of the new version of the app. So I will click next for the upload, and select the same profile. It will check with the some background processes. It will validate the app, like this I have authorized to publish the app or not, or to upload the app. So it's waiting for the app store connection, and once the connection is established, upload will be very shortly on the fast internet. Like it will take a very less time to upload once the all validation will be done. You can use you can use transporter as well for the upload. You can see now the app is being uploaded. Once uh, upload happen, it will take 10 to 15 minutes to process the app, and later it will appear on your portal. Like you can see, the version is uploaded. You can see all the other details, like the signing capabilities and all. So from here I am going again. Once the app is uploaded, it will appear here in the add build. So I selected the build number, which is already uploaded, and now I clicked on the missing compliances and I selected all no, and now my app is ready for final submit. I will saving the details, and will add for review. So it's added for the review. Now I will go in review section and do the final submission for the review, and my app will be confirmed for the review, and after review from the Apple side, it will be released automatically. There are a lot of options like manual release, automatic release. There are other options. It will appear in test flight devs, like whoever dev team are there, it will appear for them in the test flight instantly after the upload. That's all. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.